The Divi anniversary sale is now on. I want to talk to you about my bonuses that you're also going to get if you purchase Divi using my affiliate link. So my first bonus is my main course, which is the Divi Jumpstart course. If you're a beginner, this course is for you because it's going to help you familiarize yourself with Divi, making it easy for you to design your first website. Now, if you want to design websites as a freelancer or you want to get your website up and running super fast, I also have a child theme called SiteCrafter. SiteCrafter is fantastic because it's a starting point to design any type of website. It has your header, your footer, your 404 pages. It also has your blog pages, all designed for you. All you have to do is to change your images and your text and you're pretty much good to go. I also have another product called Colorizer 2. This is a dynamic color management tool for Divi. You choose your color palette and this will be applied across the whole website. At any point, if you want to update your colors on your website, you can just update them on one place and your whole website is updated. This goes for $19 and I'm giving this away as well as a bonus. So if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, which is in the video description below, not only do you get 20% off, but you get my course, you also get my child theme and Colorizer 2. The link to that is in the video description below. Now, once you've purchased Divi, just let me know by dropping me an email and I will give you access to the bonuses. All right, that's all I have. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.